Hi, this is Panir Selvan. I am working in a mechanical engineering company. They produce automobile chains in Coimbatore. Yeah, before I came to the conference, I am facing the challenge. I lack confidence when I talk in a stage. Even I struggle to speak a few words in front of a bigger audience. So that is the issue I was facing, and I was always thinking about it every day. It is affecting my personal life and happiness, so I want to overcome that. Yeah, the biggest improvement I would say, I was able to speak up in front of people, and that was very amazing. And the feeling I got after speaking a few words, it's great. So it is giving some kind of confidence to me to face a bigger audience in future. Yeah. With Bishal, we feel very good, being with him itself, giving a lot of courage and confidence. So if these 2 days gives a lot, then imagine if it is 1 year or so, where we will go. We can realize that Bishal is a great mentor. You have to register, because the 2 days is making a transformation in us. It is making us confident and to face the public speaking area. So we are breaking the barriers and speak in front of people.